Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix direct message option not showing issue on TikTok. So guys, if you are trying to send someone direct message but you see no option to send message here, I will show you how can you fix it or whether you can fix it or not. So guys, here you can see this, there are two profiles on my device. One is able to receive message and the other is not. So guys, basically here you can see this, there is no option to send this person messages, and if you see this profile there is option to send direct message. So guys, basically this issue is not from your side. If someone sets the privacy not to receive any message from anyone, then the direct message option will not be showing on his profile. And if someone doesn't set privacy to receive messages, then the option will be available and then you will be able to send that person messages directly. So guys, here you can see this person is able to receive messages and this person is not able to receive messages because he has set a privacy not to receive messages from anyone. So guys, basically there is no issue from your side. You can send that person direct messages if he sets no privacy to receive messages on his account, and if he sets privacy not to receive messages or direct messages, then you will see no option to send direct messages on this account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.